Bootstrap is an amazing UI framework that allows developers to build front-end quickly and easily. It provides components built out of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript that integrate quickly with our own design when we build websites. In this video, you will see the steps needed to install Bootstrap with an Angular application. So the first thing I'm going to do is to install Bootstrap with npm install --save bootstrap. And this will install the library via npm, which will make it available in the node modules. So by going to the node module, we should now see Bootstrap installed here. And as we see, the warning is telling us that we are missing jQuery and Popper.js that are actually dependencies on Bootstrap. So we will go and install them as well with npm. As soon as we have Bootstrap, jQuery, and Popper.js installed, we can make sure that they are available by looking at our package.json that lists all our packages installed. We should be able to see them under the dependencies. So Bootstrap, jQuery, and Popper.js. So we are now ready to have Bootstrap on our Angular application. But for that, we need to let Angular know that we want the JavaScript of Bootstrap to be used within our application. And to state that, we need to add this in the Angular JSON file, which is the file used by Angular CLI. So we'll go ahead on the Angular JSON file, and under our project architect build, we can see that we have an empty array of scripts here. And under this script, we will add our dependencies: Query, Popper.js, and Bootstrap. So we run ngserve to start our application. And from the Chrome debugger, under the source, under Webpack, we can check that our modules were bundled together. The next thing we have to do is to add the style to the website. So what we can do is directly from the style file, we can import the style of Bootstrap, which is contained within the Sass folder in Bootstrap. So if I save that, it will recompile, and we can see that now the style of Bootstrap is applied. But one of the last major benefits of Bootstrap is that it provides a way to programmatically interact with the UI. To leverage that from TypeScript, we need to add the types file. We're gonna go npm install save types jQuery, and we're gonna go npm install save bootstrap. And once this is done, what we need to do is go to the tsconfig app.json and specify the type that we imported, so jQuery and Bootstrap. And what this allows us to do is to use jQuery and Bootstrap within our Angular components. So as an example, we can go to the button and name that button my button, and bind a click event to it by going click with a function that we can define in our component. Click. And here what we can see is that we have access to jQuery. And we can access to the button. And when click, we will use button toggle event. And this is a Bootstrap components, as we can navigate to it, and it brings us to the type of Bootstrap. And after I save this, when I click on the button, it will now toggle the button. And that's it. we installed Bootstrap with Angular completely, allowing us to use the Sass style of Bootstrap and overriding the style if we wanted to. For example, here we can change the primary color, which is blue by default, and if I go primary green, it will recompile the whole style and we will have a green color as a primary color. I hope you like this video and I'll see you on the next one.